Hello, Sanibonani beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I trust and pray that you are well wherever you are. This is just a quick announcement to let you know that unfortunately tonight we will not be having Judge Thenjiwe Comedy quarantine edition as promised, and that is due to the hailstorms that are currently happening in Durban. Some of our actors are in Durban and currently the weather is quite bad, so we will not be able to do it because we are definitely going to have problems with the internet. We are definitely going to have problems connecting with each other, and we do not want to give you an experience of hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you see me? Hello. No, we want to give you the best experience, so we will try and do it tomorrow. Tomorrow we will do it at 7. But let us just hope that the weather will clear up, the weather will get better. And please do not blame us for the weather. Blame the person who dug those graves. They've made the ancestors very, very unhappy. The ancestors are right now unhappy in South Africa. The weather is horrible, horrible, horrible. I think those hailstorms were sent just to fill up the graves. So please do forgive us, as we are not the ones who dug the graves. You will still get judged, but we will do it tomorrow like I've just explained. We do not want to give you a horrible experience. We want to give you the best experience ever. So we will do it tomorrow. And tomorrow, remember, we are also doing another show. We are finding love for a friend of mine who is in Australia. So 4 p.m. tomorrow, which is Sunday. Please do join us, especially if you are a single lady. If you know any single ladies. Yabo, we're getting people African wives. Abangaji. Get yourself a husband who's all the way in Australia. So tomorrow, if you are between the ages of 21 and 40, 21 and 40, please do come and join us. It's going to be fun. He's looking for a lady. So let's do it tomorrow. We're doing Love Quarantine Edition. It's going to be very funny and very interesting. So tomorrow, 4 p.m. and then at 7 p.m. we will do Judge Thenjiwe Comedy Quarantine Edition, which will be a live case. I'm looking forward to it. That's why we are not doing it today, because we want to make sure that we give you the best experience ever. I love you guys, and I will be seeing you tonight at 7 and at 9. At 7, we get to meet Ubabaga World Cup. Very interesting story. Very interesting guy, very talented guy. So please do join us as we profile Ubabaga World Cup. So join us so that you get to know him. And then at 9, we're going to have Ujaj. But then because of the storm that is happening, we'll just do Nomain. I don't even know what to talk about those. There are so many things that are happening in South Africa right now. So yeah, do join us. Let us have a good show. I love you. Please do take care of yourself. Don't forget to sanitize, wear your mask, and only go out when it is absolutely necessary. This thing is here. This thing is real. See you at 7. Much love. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is 100% free to subscribe on YouTube, guys. And I think I need to do a video just to tell you guys how free it is. Because I think when I say it's free, you think, it's free, but... So I will do a video just to educate you about YouTube, because so many of you are scared of subscribing. I've got like 94% of the people who watch my YouTube videos do not subscribe. Why? Please tell me why you have not subscribed so that we know what the problem is in South Africa. We do need you. We do need your support. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channels, not just mine, but every South African. If you like the content of that creator, subscribe to them. It's free. There's no catch. 100% free. See you guys later. One love. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Subscription is free. Mahala.